guys, Run with Craft Scissors here. My 2019 spring seasonal surprise box from Erin Condren is here, and I'm so excited. So make sure you check out the link in my description box to Erin Condren. I do have, like, if you click on the link and create a new account, you can get $10 off of your purchase. So I do have that there if you guys want to use it. It helps me earn $10 every time, like, I refer someone, so then I can use it to buy these boxes and buy new planners for next year and stuff like that. So lots of fun. So the box theme is Splash of Color. She says on here, I opened the box. This is the inside of the lid. So then you flip the lid and then it becomes like a little like big box that's kind of like display with the quote. It's kind of fun. She does it every month. All right, or not every month, goodness, every season. So it says, well, we're in full swing into the hustle and bustle of 2019. It can be easy to quickly forget those resolutions and goals. Oh, that's funny because my sale is goals, which, by the way, started today, in case you missed it. You set back in early January, so we decided to create a box that will keep you on track and in style. Each item in this box was designed to help you get organized while out and on the go. Okay, I hope each sticker placed in your planner, each moment of inspiration gained from the quote on your cover, and each rainy day made brighter by our colorful umbrella reminds you... Umbrella? Is there an umbrella in here? Oh my gosh. Reminds you not to just schedule each day, but truly celebrate each day. Can't wait to hear what you think of this box. Enjoy, Erin. P.S. Make sure you tag us. So I'll make sure I use those tags. And then she has a description of everything on the box. There is an umbrella. Holy moly. Okay, and then there's a little card. New coiled notebook. Oh, 20% off. That's cool. See, sometimes she just like gives us these things. Mine got bent. I don't know what happened, but it's definitely like that when I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna shove this forward a little bit. You guys can kind of see that's how it looks. Wrapped in tissue paper. We'll do a little glance, and then we'll pull the box away and put it on the other part of my desk. Okay, so now that we know there's an umbrella, oh my gosh, I can't believe she gave us all an umbrella. This is so awesome. Has a cute little bag, which, you know, you can never like get back in, but you know. Yeah, so it's that design and it's all over it, and I'm not going to open it. But look at that nice little like stitching pouch. And then it does have like a button mechanism. Has a nice little strap. This is so much fun. I'm so excited. I like how short it is. It definitely fits in my tote bag. Oh, look, she has her little Erin Condren flower on the top. It's a nice like teal blue, and then it has all of the colors. And I'm guessing it looks exactly like this. That's, yeah, she has it right here. So that's what it looks like. Open. And it's called the Mid-Century Circles Umbrella. It's exclusive to this box or in her actual store. So it's not online, and its retail value is $28. And I think for the box, it's like $35. So yeah, that's awesome. I like it. That's really awesome. Bring a splash of color to your rainy days. That's hilarious. Okay, next up, which I did see a sneak peek of this, and I was like, what? She included washi. So it's 10 color skinny paper tape set is what she's calling it. This is a sneak peek. So this is something that I'm guessing is going to be available online. The value is $6. So that's kind of cool. And then she did throw in, there's a ring that came with it to like put them on after you take them off. So it's just like skinny tape washi. So they're not like super, yeah, there's no like design or pattern or shimmer or anything like that to it. But I really like it. So that's kind of fun. Great borders with. And then I like the little ring so that after it's off this paper, they don't fly everywhere. So you get 10 16 feet rolls. That's a lot. That's awesome. Okay, next up we have, ooh, pretty colorful dual tip markers. I've always wanted to try her like marker pins, but I don't know if these are new or not. What does it say? Dual tip marker set. It says sneak peek and $10 value. Cool. I definitely ripped the rest of that off. Oh, well, I wasn't going to reuse it anyway. Okay, so we have green and we have like a coral pink. So I need to write on something with this. Let me find a sticky note. Because, you know, I got some nearby somewhere under my pile of everything. Okay, I don't know what that's from. So 2 sides. I don't know, I'm gonna write. My handwriting stinks, so oh well. So that was the bigger side. That was the skinnier side. That's awesome. I want to see the colors. We're color swatching now. I like these colors. Pink and green are like my top favorite colors. This is so nice. Yeah. These write great. That's amazing. Look at that. All right, moving on. So that was a $10 value dual tip markers. Then we have, ooh, seriously? Ooh, fancy. This looks so fancy. Like, what does it do? So it's a stylized sticky note booklet. 800 sticky notes, it says. Oh my gosh. So it has the woven, which is like the theme this year. And this one is a $14 value, and it's a sneak peek, so it will be available eventually. So it has this pretty shimmery gold elastic. Ooh, so it's a definite rainbow theme. So these are separated, so that it's not one big sticky note. That's 2 different colors, in case you were wondering. And then these nice little tabs. Let's test the stickiness, because I know a lot of sticky notes are not very sticky, and I hate them. Push it down some more. Well, most of the time it is going to be stuck to paper. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't know. We'll see. I don't use a lot of sticky notes anyway, but like, I mean, for my planner. I mostly use them to write notes to you guys. But these are kind of fun. I like that. And it's so like fashionable. I love this little elastic band. I would have just liked the elastic band for my planner. Okay, so what I say that one was, that was $14 value. Alright, and next up, stickers. It says sticker sheet duo. It's exclusive, so you can't get this, sorry. $7. Yeah. So it says exclusive to e-commerce shoppers and available in store, Austin, Texas. Alright, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna open the stickers. They're usually foiled. Sometimes they're deco, sometimes they're not. There's pretty much always stickers, is what I figured out. But other than that, there hasn't been like a, this is always, always, always in the box. Like, we've gotten washi before, but it was like one roll, and it was like foiled and scalloped. So it's 2 sheets. So this one's like, yeah, she calls it sticker sheet duo because this one is like the clearish stuff. And then this is more like the white paper. Like, it's different kinds of paper. So this one's more like transparent and this one's not, if that makes sense. So, but I like these ones. Take note, priority this week. Some little flags and arrows, these little half circles. That's fun. I like the rainbow theme that's kind of going on here, all the different colors. So that's kind of fun. All right, and then I think the last item, because there's 6 items, and then you get your decorative box, of course. The last item that I have to look at is the interchangeable metallic quote cover, which I think was mentioned in the story. It said we hope that the cover, yeah, we hope that inspiration is gained from the quote on your cover. She said that in the intro. So this is the one that's on the inside of the box too, that you flip out and then you can like display. So let me open this. And then it is like the woven. But that's like the inside, and then this would be, oh, that's, oh, okay. So that's the back. Yeah, that would be the back. So then it says, always have the courage to start, and it's a foiled cover, which I know costs extra in her shop. So the value of this one is $8. I thought it was more. I thought foiled covers were like 10. Or they at least up the price of your planner if you order it with a foiled cover. This is kind of nice. It's got like some peachiness to it, so then it matches the peach that's like on the inside. So then you can write on that with like a whiteboard one. One has lines, one doesn't. It's kind of nice. And then it doesn't have that barcode that like when you first get your planner, it has the barcode in it. And then on the back, it's just that woven pattern, which some people like, some people didn't like. I think it's fine. I like the idea behind it, that we're all like woven together. But there you go. So you get a planner cover. Which she has done before. That has been in the I was leaving this out here so you guys could see the ink. That has been in the box before. But like we've gotten mugs and all sorts of stuff. Pencils, and this time we got markers. We've gotten those cookie Sharpie pens. There's been all sorts of stuff. So you can go back and see my other Erin Condren unboxings. I think they're in my sticker and craft haul playlist. I should make, I guess, their own playlist. But I've only done 3 of these, I think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and that if you ordered yours, you get it soon, and that you love everything. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!